Hello! Thank you guys for watching. So I'm kind of excited today because I'm doing something I've been wanting to do for a little while, and that is I get the question a lot, like what's the difference between CC cream and foundation, right? What's the big difference? So I'm going to show you today. We're going to draw an imaginary line down the middle of my face. I'm going to do CC cream on this side and foundation on this side, and then hopefully you'll be able to see the difference for yourself. And then I'm also going to talk to you about the benefits of both. So let's get started, right? Oh, by the way, look at these cute earrings. I love them. They were a gift from Jamie and Tori Harmio, mostly from JB probably. But aren't they beautiful? I love them. Okay, thank you, Jamie. All right, so let's start with our CC cream. CC cream actually has 8 different benefits to it. 8, yeah. So normally when applying stuff, you want to go center of your face and out from there, but obviously I'm not doing that today. So CC cream can be applied very much just like a moisturizer. So I use my hands with it a lot. It's really strange to only do half my face. And I probably got way too much product. All right, so you're gonna apply that very much like you would a moisturizer, okay? It goes on really nice and light. It is light coverage. The 8 benefits, some of them are, it has SPF of 15, so it gives you some good protection when you're gonna be out and about. It also nourishes your skin. It has some really great stuff in there that gives you nourishment and hydrates because like I said, it's almost like a tinted moisturizer, so it has added moisture. Oh yeah, I have way too much, so I'm just gonna blot some of that off. It has added moisturizer. For some reason I used as much as I would for my whole face. Okay, so nice light coverage. For me, because I'm freckled too, I have a lot of freckles down here and on my arms, and I do feel like if you got up to my face and I had 0 freckles, it would look a little weird. So I like light coverage for everyday stuff. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm filming on my phone today because we finally got high-speed internet. We're super excited, but that means that my computer is out of commission at the moment, and I can't really be in the office, so I'm using my phone, so I don't know where to look. Sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna do the other half of the face, foundation. Okay, and in the CC cream, I use very light, okay? It comes in 5 different shades. It's very, very forgiving. This is the luminous foundation. There's also a matte version of our foundations as well. And these come in loads of colors, like really great color matching opportunities. So I'm just gonna put the foundation right onto my foundation brush and try not to get enough for my whole face again. Okay, and then I love this foundation brush. And I just go ahead and blend that in, okay? And in this I'm using Ivory W120. There are actually, as pale as I am, there are some that are too pale for me. So, in the foundations, because like I said, there's such a huge variety. So I always go with the lightest color usually. Well, I got the lightest color in this, and yeah, it's too light. So I kept it because I kind of use it as a little bit of a highlight when I'm trying to go fancy with the contouring. Okay, so again, I think I got a little much going on here, but we'll blend the middle a little bit. Okay. So let me go ahead and, I don't know if you can tell the difference. So here is the foundation, and here is CC cream. Can you tell a big difference? I've never done side by side. This is something I've been wanting to do too, so I'm gonna be really curious to go check it out in the mirror. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my contour and blush real quick. So the contour, as you know, you do like a 3 here. You see me do that a lot. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Hiding the chin. No, de-emphasizing. We're not hiding it. We're de-emphasizing it. And giving me a little bit of color. Okay, and then add some blush. And remember, your blush goes back further than you're used to. But trust me, it's the thing. Everybody's doing it, and I do like it. I do like it. Now that I've gotten used to it, I decided I do like that better. Okay, so again, foundation, CC cream. What do you guys prefer? What do you guys like? I like both, honestly. I use them. So since the foundation has no SPF, and the CC cream does, I, on a daily basis, usually use CC cream. But if I know I'm gonna be on Zoom, or I want better coverage, or I'm going to a special event, or we're filming a wedding, I'll use the foundation, right, for a little better coverage. So hopefully I smoothed everything in well. I am not working with a mirror, so who knows. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you found that interesting and maybe a little educational. It might help you make a selection for yourself. And see you later. Bye.